Hi everyone, I'm back. I'm doing a Silverside for tea in the micro pressure cooker. So I've got a 1.6 kilo Silverside or corned beef in there. I'm going to pop some sugar in, brown sugar. So not too much because Brad is a diabetic, and a beef stock cube or two, and I've got some onions that I have to show you in the Turbo Chef. That is such an amazing one of my favourite gadgets anyway. Over there, that's the bin. So this is the Turbo Chef. It's got 3 very sharp blades in there, and the whole onion, not the turbo, sorry, is extra chef. And this is basically 288 shots per 15 seconds, I believe it was. So in no time at all, I've got chopped onion. Look at that. No tears. Break that out. So first up, that is the typical aubergine that you'd see in a supermarket. And this is just the tip of the iceberg. It comes in so many different shapes and forms. There's so many. So if you go down to any of them, and then I'm going to put a whole myriad of aubergines. Honestly, some water in there. There is a maximum fill line. Just there, that you can't actually see, but you'll understand when if you ever get one. Or should I say, when you get yours. So that around. Doesn't really matter that the corned beef isn't covered by water. And then all we do is pop the lid on, as so. There's 2 little arrows here at the side that you match up, and then lock the handle, and then that will go in the microwave. And I don't want to turn my back on you. I'll pop that in the microwave for probably about half an hour at 90%, 900 watts power. So, and then I'll come back and show you when it's done. Hi, I'm back. So this has had 30 minutes in the microwave at 900 watts, and then I put it back in for another 30 minutes, but I reduced the power down to 70%. The little soldier boy here has gone down, so I can now lift it off, twist it, and take the lid off away from me because it can be quite hot. And looking at that, in an hour basically I have a perfectly cooked Silverside. Oops, and now to do the veggies.